Hello, here is the dashboard for booking or hall booking, and this is a calendar, and 15 is showing that it is a different color because today is 15. And when you go to the make booking, and here you select the day, then you select the timing. Okay, so I select the timing 6:15 to 6:30. Okay, the pop-up box is coming. Here mention the name. I just put Ravi Verma for example purpose. Okay, save, and message is coming successfully uploaded. Okay, now you go to the dashboard and you see Ravi Verma. Okay, so Ravi Verma is booking on 15, and you go to, then you, here is the button, go to the dashboard. So just click one. Here in the dashboard you see Ravi Verma is pending. Pending for what? If admin permit, then pending has done. Pending will gone. Okay, so go to the admin panel. Here is the admin panel. From here you see a row is coming and it is showing pending. Okay, now admin just switch on, and when you switch on you get the message, are you sure, status done, because here status is pending. So admin just going okay, and just refresh the page, and it is now done. So booking has done, approved by admin. So again we go to the dashboard. If I select hall number 1, then you see done is there. So user get that message. So in that way user booking and admin giving the permission. Okay, thank you.